Okay, so I'm going to make a zipper. What I'll do is I'll create first a shape and then I'll modify the shape. So here's where I'm going to get to. So what I do is I create the shape, and then with the pen tool I can add a point, join the handles with the control so I can pull it out to make my about 45-degree angle here, and then I'm going to make one just on the other side. So that's how I make the graphic for this, and I'm just going to get rid of that for now. Now what I'll do is use the marquee tool, and I want to select this area, and then I'll go up to the edit menu and I'm going to create a brush preset and give it a name, call it zipper. So now if I just clear shapes, get to the brush tool and create a new layer that I can paint on, what I need to do is modify my brush, increase the spacing. I think it's going to go out to 100 to make it work, but I also have to rotate this upwards so that it's at 90 here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to Dynamics, and I'm going to change my rotation to follow. So angle jitter, I'm going to change this to direction. So by the Alt right click I can make my brush smaller, align with the pen tool. So this will be like a nice smooth line. And then if I right click, I can choose to stroke path, and my options are plenty, but I'm going to choose the brush. And so there is the path. So you can work with this to get your zipper to line. The size will matter and other things, but that's pretty much how you create a zipper brush.